So now children, there is a question, how does technology affect supply curve of a firm? So we all know that there are two types of technology. So one is the improved technology, that means the advanced, you can say improved or advanced technology, and other is the obsolete technology. So when a firm uses the advanced or the improved technology, what happens? Cost of the production falls. So when cost of production, that means cost of production falls, and when cost of production falls, that time profit of the producer increases. So profit increases, production increases, and so that supply also increases. Clear children? So this is the version of the improved or advanced technology. Obsolete technology, that means the old one. If a firm is using the old technology, that time cost of production, if I am running a company and I am using the old version of the technology, that time what happens? When I am using the old version, cost of production rises, and when cost of production rises, that means the profit of the producer is falling, and when profit falls, production falls, and when production falls, supply also falls. Clear? Now you see the diagram. This is the y-axis, x-axis, origin. Clear? Now what happened? Here we are taking the technology affect supply curve. So we know that the technology comes in the other factors. There is no change in the supply own price of the commodity. So that means my price remains constant. Whatever the changes are due to the other factors, my supply is changing due to the other factors. So technology, we are taking the other factors. Price remain constant here. Now this is my initial curve. Initial supply curve, that is moving from down to up. Clear? Now what happens when I am improving, when I am using the advanced version of the technology, that time my supply curve shifts forward. That means rightward or forward, you can say. So I am getting the new supply curve, S1, S1. Price remain constant. When I am using the advanced technology, that time my supply curve shifts rightward. So this is the rightward shift, you can say, or forward shift. Clear? Now obsolete technology, that means when I am using the old version, when price remain constant, price of the own price of the commodity remain constant, and when obsolete technology we are using, so that means my cost of production goes up, so supply falls down. See here, supply falls down. So when supply falls down, my supply curve will where come? Will shift to the left. This is S3. So this is the decrease in supply, you can say, or leftward shift, you can say. This is the increase in supply or rightward shift. This is the decrease in supply or the leftward shift. So I hope this picture and diagram or everything what I have made you clear. Now other question is, how does change in input price affect supply curve? So this is also comes in the other determinants where own price of the commodity remain constant. So this is the change in supply, I can say. So now what happens? Change in input price. So change in input price, suppose is the raw materials. Now what happens, children? Raw materials. Now raw material. So raw material, suppose raw material cost increases. So when raw material cost increases, my cost of production will also increase. So raw material increases, which leads to increase in the cost of production. When cost of production increases, my production will fall. When production will fall, supply will also fall. Clear? Now when the price of raw material reduces, so that time what happened? When the price of raw material reduces, it leads to fall in the cost of production. When cost of production falls, that time production increases, so supply increases. Now understand? That means when the price of raw material increases, that time, so that means cost of production increasing. When cost of production increasing, that time producer will reduce the production, which leads to reduce in supply. Vice versa, when raw material, price of the raw material is reducing, so that time cost of the production remains same, cost of production falls, production will increase and supply will also thereby increase. Now if you see the diagram here I am taking the x axis, y axis here. Clear? Now price is constant in the other factors here, so we are taking, so price is constant. Here OP is the price and quantity supplied, here I am taking OQ. This is the initial supply curve SS. Now when the price of raw material increases, that time my supply is falling, that means my supply is reducing. So what, where the supply curve will go? Supply is decreasing. So when supply is decreasing, my supply curve will shift to the left. That means I can say it is the S1 curve. That means whole supply curve will shift to the left side. This is the leftward movement. This is the decrease in supply or the leftward movement, you can say. OQ is the quantity. How you will write? OP is the price which is constant and OQ is the quantity supplied. So what happens when raw material price increases, which leads to rise in the cost of production, and thereby production falls and supply also falls. So their whole curve will shift from SS to SS1, which is leftward shift. Now supply curve will be, so quantity supplied now will be OQ1. Clear, children? Now when the price of raw material falls, that time my supply will increase because production is increasing, so supply will increase. So my whole supply curve will shift to the right. This is S3. So now my quantity supplied is where? My quantity supplied is OQ3. Initial OP is the price and OQ is the quantity supplied. When the price of raw material falls, which leads to fall in the cost of production, thereby production increases, supply also increases. So my whole curve will shift to the right. That means the rightward shift. Clear, children? So these are the questions that you have to first write this way, and then you have to draw the diagram and to explain it. So these are the questions. I have explained two types. There are two other factors. So there are the other factors which you need to write it in your own copy so that you can just understand how this will come. Clear? So thank you so much. We will meet in the other class. Thank you.